This is how we prepare our tropical villa here in Sri Lanka before guests arrive. From cleaning to full setup, we will show you everything is done step by step. Let me show you the full process in this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how we prepare our villa before new guests arrive. So this is very important for us because we always want to give clean and comfortable experience to our valuable guests in their staying with us. So before we start in, we check the whole villa. Even if it looks messy or clean, we always go through everything again because every guest expects a fresh place when they arrive. So now we start with the cleaning process. This is the most important part of the preparing of the villa because cleanliness directly affects to the guest experience of their stay. First, we start with general cleaning like sweep floors, remove dust and clean all the visible areas. After that, we focus on the bedroom. We change all the bed sheets and replace them with fresh, clean ones. We also clean around the bed area because this is the most important place for the guest. So after that, we clean the bathrooms. We wash the floors and mop it well to make it dry. Clean the sink, mirror and all the surfaces. Also we have to go through the living area as well because the guest most usable area will be the living areas. Outside the villa and make it presentable for the guest view. After cleaning, we start setting up the bedrooms. We change bed sheets, arrange pillows and keep everything nice and tidy. Small things like this really make a big difference for guests. A clean and comfortable bed is very important after a long trip. So once finished arrange the bed, we have to careful about the curtains inside the bedroom and arrange them properly before the guests arrive. Also we have to place the amenities what they have to use inside the villa. Also here we do not provide kitchen facility inside the villa for the guests. Instead we prepare all from our main kitchen. This helps us maintain quality and cleanliness as well as guests don't need to worry about cooking. They can just relax and enjoy their stay. We try to make everything easy and comfortable for our valuable guests when they are staying with us. So finally, we have to check everything again. We have to open windows, adjust things, and make sure everything is perfect. These small final touches help create a nice and fresh environment. So when the guests arrive into the villa, they can feel the nature surrounded by the eco estate and enjoy it naturally vibe. Preparing a villa like this takes time, but it's very important to give a good experience to our valuable guests. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comments and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.